All right, this looks a little problematic to me, and looking at it, I'm not sure where to start with it, but I'll start with the easiest thing I know, which is the test for divergence. Let me write this over here, limit, whoops, the limit as n goes to infinity, n, the root of sine 1 over n squared. Well, I got to think about that too, and we're going to do that. I'm going to use a continuous case. So I'm going to write the limit as x goes to 0. And my suspicion is something to do with something I've seen before, but maybe not. Let's write this over here. And this is going to be the root of sine 1 over x squared, and then 1 over x. All right? So again, all I did was I replaced m with x, and I wrote it as a ratio. And now I'm kind of looking at it, looks sort of familiar. I got to write it a little differently, I guess. I'm sorry, this is infinity. Sorry about that. X goes to infinity. And I can write this under one big root. And it's sine 1 over x squared. And that 1 over x, if I put inside a root, is 1 over x squared. All right? So I'm starting to realize that, using limit laws in this one, let's see what works out. I'm going to say it's the root of, I'm going to say the limit as x goes to infinity. And what do you get there? You get sine 1 over x squared and 1 over x squared. And that really does look familiar, doesn't it? Let's write it a little differently. I'm going to write it as the root, and that's going to be limit as x goes to 0 now. I'm going to switch it around a little bit. That's going to be sine x. Again, the reason, maybe I should do it from the right. It doesn't really much matter, by the way. But as we go towards infinity, the reciprocal goes towards 0 through positive numbers. All right? So you get x over here now. What does this give us? That limit's easy, right? It's going to be 1. What do you get over here? The root of 1 is 1. So what do I know about this over here? This guy's limit's going to approach 1. All right? Now, the deal about this one over here is, you might have forgot why you did that. I was using a test for divergence. What do I know about this guy over here? It's divergent. That's what I know. We're done with 51.